For this demonstration, I'm going to show you kind of what I'm calling Tern Essentials for any Disney Destinations packages. This goes for Walt Disney World and for Disneyland. So we're going to start with our new trip. And we're going to do our dates. Right, to the 15th. And just regular trip. We're going to create our trip. Perfect. Now from this, we're going to utilize the Orlando theme park community templates that are inside Tern. So we're going to go over into itinerary. So inside the itinerary, we have two options. We can actually either utilize the plus up here at the top of the first day and choose our activity template, or we can use the library items over here on the right-hand side, dropping and dragging. If you are utilizing an iPad or something that doesn't do drop and drag, the plus is really great option to use. So I'm going to choose activity template and I'm going to go to shared with me. Now shared with me is going to show all of the stuff that has been shared with me, and these are going through. You mostly see the Orlando theme park community, so we are going to choose our Disney's Beach Club Resort, and we're going to add this to trip. We're going to open it up, and there are no room options, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put in, this is a resort view. I'm going to go back to my itinerary. Again, I'm going to use my activity templates. Now this is a template that I've already created, and I want my tickets. Walt Disney World theme park tickets. Base tickets. And we're going to open this up and we're going to say that it is 4 days. Remember, package has tickets and room, maybe even dining plan, memory maker, and we're going to go with just the tickets and the resort. I'm going to go over into bookings. Now, you see these as two different options. Well, we're putting this into a package. So we're going to select both of them. And at the very bottom, I'm going to have to reduce this a little bit so I can see it. It's going to say change package. I'm going to select new package. Yes, we want to add them into a new package. We're going to select this new package and it's called Disney World Vacation Package. Oops, I don't need that number. I'm going to put in the amount. Deposits due in 3 days. We're going to put in the final payment due. We're going to utilize the supplier that my agency wants me to utilize for packages and put in the expected commission date. Always put in your expected commission dates so that you make sure that you are getting this put onto your reporting. Go back to itinerary. Everything looks great. You can go to the overview. I'm going to add my traveler. I already have her in my system, so I'm just selecting her. Otherwise, you can create a new contact. It is done. Now I can go ahead and I can publish this. I can actually type in a message here, or I can apply a template. I'm going to put in templates. I'm going to remove some details, and I'm going to send. Let me grab this link. This is what your clients will see. You can see their pricing and what that includes. It includes the items of Walt Disney World Vacation theme park tickets, 1 park per day for 4 days, and also Disney's Beach Club Resort. Now, what if they want to have an option of a different resort? For a different resort, I'm going to go back to the itinerary, and this option 1, I'm actually going to rename it. Now, I do already have images in, let's see here. In a file folder that I keep on my desktop. And Beach Club Resort. Update that itinerary. Boom, there we go. Now, instead of adding options here, I actually want to be able to track what my clients are approving and rejecting. So I always recommend that you utilize the plus at the top, and we're going to add the option up here. So this next option would be Disney's Boardwalk in. And let's go ahead and give it a photo. Boardwalk. Let's clean this up. Clean up my name. There we go. That's a great image. We'll utilize that. Now, same thing. We're going to add in our activity templates from our shared with me from the Tern user community and Disney's Boardwalk in. Going to open this up. In our rooms, this is going to standard view, 5th sleeper. Back to our itinerary. We're going to add in our activity template of our tickets. And this one, we're actually going to also add in a dining plan. So activity template. Dining plan, add to trip. Now, all of these 3 things are separate items, so we're going to turn them into a package. So we're going to go over into bookings, select all 3, which we could do individually, or just choose one and then mark this little box, checkbox. It'll actually select all 3 of them and change package, and it's going to be a new package. Yes, we want to put them all into new package. Disney World Vacation package. And that amount, 652. Deposit and final balance. 3 days. Final payment date. Selecting the supplier my agency wants me to utilize. Putting in my commission and the expected date. If you don't know what the expected date is, always put it for just the date that they check out. That's fine. It's going to show up on your reports. It's going to show up on your agency reports. That's what you want. Okay, there we go. Now we can go back to overview, and we've got our traveler. We can see. We can even preview this to see what it's going to look like for our clients. Looks great. We're going to publish this. Going to apply a template. Quote. I'm going to remove some information. Send. Now I can refresh this. Back to all trip options. Now this is what my clients are going to see. They have the options of Beach Club Resort or Boardwalk Inn. They can see what the pricing is going to be for either of those. They can view the itinerary. They can learn more. Resort view. It's the room. You can see their tickets. Go back to their trip options. Yes, I did make a mistake. I didn't update these tickets to say 4 days. But I also see the Disney dining plan. And again, that's what it's going to see. So if I just go over here to Boardwalk really quickly. Four days. Oops. Sorry, client. Publish that. Refresh it. There we go. Now, the client says, what does this include? Included items are the Disney dining plan, the Boardwalk Inn, and 4 days of base tickets. They love this, so they're going to approve this itinerary. And it's immediately going to take them into the authorize the payments with the deposits. It has the Walt Disney Travel Company. It says what the cancellation policy is. It shows the terms and conditions, how much it's for. They'll add in their card details, or in this case, she's already authorized a deposit. She's also authorized deposit in the last 30 days, so she doesn't have to add in her CVV, but she will just select this card. She's going to agree to the terms and conditions for the agency, sign, agree to her signature, and submit that authorization. Now everything's ready to go, and all she has to do is to authorize her final payment. As an agent, you will go over into your authorizations. You'll see that authorization. Boom, everything's ready to go. We're going to go to Disney Travel Agents. We're going to make this booking, apply this deposit, mark it as paid. We're going to add our confirmation number in. 217768. We're going to add in our supplier. There it is. And we're going to mark it as booked. Now, I just noticed one thing. It doesn't show my client here. So I want to make sure my client is showing up, because this truly helps in your reporting for your agencies as well as for yourself. And we're just going to add her here. There we go. I just edited and added her name to this package. So there we go. So I'm going to mark it as booked now. And now all of the information is in here for my agency as well as for myself. I have my supplier, I have my client, the dates, my confirmation number, the price, the date that was booked, and mark it as booked. Now, I'm also going to take this a step further. I'm going to copy this number. I'm going to add it at the top here. And I'm also going to add it for the trip title. That is just an extra step that I like to do, because when I'm on my main board, I like to see my confirmation numbers immediately. I'm going to publish my trip. I'm going to send off a congratulations email to her, send it. And the last step is I'm going to put it into the trip status column that I prefer my trips to be into. You could use booked. I'm using a booked with deposit.